Hi everyone, welcome to another series of Topic Time. Grab your coffee, grab your tea or your favorite beverage and join us as we learn about narwhals today. Today we're going to learn about the narwhals. I found them to be most fascinating. They're such shy mammals that live in the polar region in the Arctic Ocean. They're a whale. And at first when I started to learn about them, I thought they were some kind of mythical character because of the little horn that's on top of them, but they actually are real. Now, the male narwhal only has this tusk, not the female. Narwhals are so shy that scientists have a hard time finding out information about them, but we're learning little by little about them. Narwhals, like I said, they live in the polar regions in the Arctic oceans, and they mostly are on the top of the water because that's how they get the blowhorns that they have on the top to collect oxygen and air before they dive so far down deep into the Arctic Ocean, because that's where they get a lot of their food, the shrimp that they eat and the small fish. They dive way down into the cold Arctic waters. This really cute book that talks about the day in the life of these polar animals, and as you can see with some of the pictures that are in the book, how they are in the cold waters. And this one right here is the male coming up. It's called a tusk, and it's up around their upper jaw of the narwhal, and of the male narwhal. Of course, they have the tail and flippers and the blowhorn, like we said, and they use the blowhorn to breathe in air at the surface of the water when they do the deep dives, to go way down into the cold waters to get the fish and the krill, but they do eat. They do have spots on their skin. They, like I said, they live in the Arctic, and it's one of the coldest places in the world. And they dive way down underneath the ice to get their food. And as you can see here, they spend some time resting near the surface. And they breathe in the air before they dive down to search for their food. And you can see some of them right here in these pictures. Now, they're active during the day and night, but they spend part of the day searching for food in the deep oceans. And here they are. And like I say, they do make a clicking sound. Well, one of the things they do like to eat is fish, shrimp, and squid. And they catch it in the dark part of the water way down deep. So this is what scientists have found out so far on the narwhals. Unfortunately, killer whales do go after the narwhals, and polar bears and walruses also attack them. I guess staying in pods and together, they protect each other from the prey. Narwhals. If you get a chance to read about these beautiful, shy unicorns of the ocean, as they call them, please do so. I found them very entertaining and very informative. I love learning about creatures and mammals of the oceans. We're going to be having another series learning more about different creatures and animals and mammals that live in the oceans and around us. Before I leave, I'm going to remind people, please be conscious of recycling. Be careful when you walk our ponds, rivers, lakes, and shores. Putting things in the water. Don't throw trash in the water or on our beaches. Recycle. Put things in trash containers if you can, because these animals are killed by the trash that we put into our waters. So be careful when you're walking. If you see trash, pick it up so that it doesn't wind up in our waterways and in our oceans. Thank you.